Just like an Apple keynote event, there's one more thing. I wanted to share with you how I made Jade's mask step by step in this video. So to begin, I measured my face to make sure that the mask would fit. You want to get yourself one of these handy dandy flexible measuring tapes. I think it's fiberglass actually. So what we want to do first is measure from about the middle of the bridge of your nose to the chin, just to make sure your whole mouth area is covered. Once you have that number, go ahead and write it down. The next measurement that you will need is the width of your face. So from each earlobe. Once you have that measurement, then you can go ahead and write that down as well. So now we're going to draft our pattern. So come along with me and we're gonna get started. So I chose a mask that I already owned to help me make the pattern. Ironically, this mask had the shape that Jade's mask also had, just this really curved nose area here.
I love you. Get to making with jive, boy, say shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, 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 you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed.
You know, I'm really pleased with how this turned out. With that being said, thanks for stopping by to watch how I made Jade's mask. I post every Thursday, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. I'm Lydia Ashley, and I'll see you in the next one. That's all.